Alright guys, we got that sponsorship stuff in the intro out of the way. Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see guys, we ended up getting sent by Boost Mobile. We got sent the device. We got sent the new Celero 5G Plus. And they sent it to us with a SIM card also. So we can get service on this line and actually test it out, guys. So there you go. This is what it looks like. We're about to crack this box open, but it's a 7-inch screen, guys. As you can see the specs right here. It has a 50 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel main cameras with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, 5,000 watt milliamp battery with 15 watt fast charging, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and it supports up to 1 terabyte, and it's a Snapdragon 695 processor Qualcomm. Thank God. And as we can see right here, the Dish Network wireless branding is on the boxes finally of the phones, which is nice. All right, let's open this thing up. Let's open it up. See here. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. This is a big phone. So we got the phone, we got a SIM tool, we got the 15 watt brick charger, USB A, and then it comes with what? USB C. Oh yeah, USB C, and we got a headphone jack too, guys. Wow. So let me get this bag. Let me put the SIM card in. Let's get this set up. I'm gonna get it all set up, and we'll be right back, guys. It's gonna take a little bit, but we'll be right back. All right, guys. So I got this phone open, and there you guys go. We got it activate. Well, the activation, there was a problem with it, guys. As you guys know, the system is down right now. So luckily, I had a spare Boost Mobile SIM card, the AN, so or the BTN as they call it, and I just ended up using that. But damn, guys, this is a really big ass phone. That's all I'm gonna say. But it looks nice. The screen, the quality. I mean, you can tell it's a 1080p, but you can tell the 120 hertz. That's for sure. Is I mean, single hand operation is kind of crazy, but I mean, I'm gonna say it is a nice phone. That's for sure. I'm gonna do more testing with this phone, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know how this phone works. So stay tuned for comparison videos. I'll probably do like taking pictures with it, video, and stuff like that, just so you guys can see what this mid ranger can do. But thank you, I appreciate you guys. Thank you to all the channel members for the love and support. Yeah, guys, we're gonna catch you in the next one with the Celero 5G Plus. Peace.